Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this complete CSAT lecture series. Today, what we are going to do is a new topic, that is average. Actually, we all know what is average, but still we are unable to solve question based on this topic. Why? Just because of the basics. We don't know the basics. Okay, and today we will learn the basics. We will understand what is the average, okay, and how we should approach the question based on average, okay, in a simple way, not any fancy formulas, just basic methods, right? Okay, so let's begin. So average means, you can say it mean, or it is a mean. Okay, just for example, I am giving you a condition like a person A, he or she has let's say 100 rupee. Okay, a person B, he or she has 200 rupee. Okay, right now they don't have equal values, like he has 100 rupee and person B has 200 rupee. But if they want to make an average value, equal value, so how can this can be done? So this B person, this he or she can donate rupee 50 to A, so it will be rupee 150, and for person B it will be rupee 150 left out. Okay, so now the value will be equal 150. So actually, how can we know that this 150 is the average value? So actually what we have done here is, we have just written here 100 plus 200 divided by 2. Okay, so we got 300 divided by 2, and that is 150. So we have done 50 rupee transfer to person A, then it will become 150 and 150. Okay, it's not a rocket science, just a simple method. Okay, so a simple basic formula is that whenever we have to find an average of any number, so just write average is equal to average or mean value is equal to sum of total observations. Observations means whatever values is given, we have to add every values and divided by total number of observations. Okay, I will give you an example to understand this formula. What is the formula? Average or mean is equal to sum of total observation divided by total number of observation. Just note it down. Okay, it's very important and just simple formula. Okay, completed this one. Okay, I'm just giving you one example for this one, right? Like, just say there are few childrens. Okay, a group of childrens are there, and their age are given like 5 years. Okay, then 7, then 13, then 12, then 8, then 15, then 9, then 6. Okay, fine. Now if anybody will say that find the average of that children's age, what is the average of their age? So we will write average, and here what I have told you right now, sum of all observation. Sum of all observation. Here observation is the age. Okay, divided by total number of observation. Okay, and total number of observation means first y 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total number of observation will be 8. Okay, so in denominator we will write 8. But what about the sum of all observation? We will write here 5 plus 7 plus 13 plus 12, okay, plus 8 plus 15 plus 9 plus 6. Just write it down like this one. Okay, now you can add. That's your wish how you are adding this one. I'm adding like this, like 12 plus 8, that will be 20. Okay, and this is 15 plus 15, that is 30 plus 20 is 50. Okay, am I doing right? Yes, 15 15, 30, 30 plus 20, 20 is equal to 50, 50, and this will be 20, that is 70. Okay, and this is 5, that is 75 by 8. So average will be 75 by 8. Now you can divide this one, so it will be like okay, 9.30, then 3, 24, 6, okay, 9.37. You can write like this one, or you can change it into mixed fraction like 9 whole, and here is 3 by 8, this much years. Okay, maybe I am doing here right or wrong, maybe here is 5. Okay, so this is our average value. You understood, right? Okay, now I am giving you one concept based on this. Just imagine, like, there are few people. Okay, there are few person. I am just representing in terms of boxes, or you can say these boxes have some weight. Okay, they have some weight, like weight A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This much kgs are there. Okay, kg or gram, whatever you can say, no problem. So now if I say, okay, how many boxes are there? 4 plus 3, that is 7 boxes are there. Okay, and their average weight is, if I say average weight of these boxes is like 10 kg. Okay, now just think, whatever I am just saying, just imagine that scenario and just think, if one box I am removing, okay, if I am removing this box A, and this box weight is like, let's say 5 kg, so what will be the average value? Average value will increase or decrease? This value 10 kg will increase or decrease? Just think and comment it. Okay, and one more scenario I am giving you, like this one thing, like total number of boxes is 7, and now I am adding one more box, that is box, you can say box X, and this weight is, let's say 12 kg. Now can you please tell me that what is the average age, average weight? Average weight will increase or decrease? Just try to solve it, and whatever your answer is, just comment it. Okay, so now I am giving you some concept based on average. Okay, just write it down. Okay, so here is a concept, like when average will increase or when average will decrease. First I am giving you the concept of when average will decrease. Okay, this is the condition, like if you remove some observation, single observation or multiple observation, if you are removing that one, if their value is greater than the average value. Okay, let's say in the previous example I have told you that average weight was 10 kg, and when we are removing that observation, and that observation was 5 kg, okay, this weight is lesser value than this one. Okay, so what I was trying to say is, when removed observation is greater than average value, then in that case average value will decrease. Here this value is less, okay, not greater, it is lesser than this average value, so that average will increase. Okay, in this scenario average will increase. But I have given another scene, like this average value was 10 kg and I was adding 12 kg. Okay, in that case what will happen? In that case again I have given you, like when we are adding some observation and this observation value is less than the average value, in that case average value will increase. Here I have given you the opposite scenario, like that added observation was greater than the average value, in that case average will increase. Okay, so in both cases average will increase. Fine, so you can write that second statement, when average will increase, just opposite of this statement. Okay, average will increase, just write the opposite statement of this 1 and 2. So here is a condition, like when removed observation is less than average value, then in that case average will increase, and if the added observation is greater than the average value, in that case also average will increase. Okay, so actually in UPSC which type of question is asked? I mean, in statement based question, if you see, maximum times they didn't ask the answer. They just give you some condition and just ask that if the answer can be calculated or not. Okay, so this type of concept you have to understand, so you can easily solve those type of questions. Okay, now how to solve the questions if they ask that what is the value? If they ask the value, then how can we solve this one? Okay, so let's try few questions. If there is any doubt, you can ask, no problem, you can comment the doubt, we will solve that one. Okay, fine. Okay, here is a question from UPSC 2020. Okay, just read the question, it will be very easy to solve. Okay, it was given that in a class there are 3 groups. Always in a class there are few groups, right? So group is given like A, B, C, and group A, B, C groups are there. So there is some condition like 1 student from group A and 2 students from group B shifted to C. You can write here A, B and C. It is not given how many numbers are in A or B or C. It is not given. Just it is said that from A, one student is going to C. Okay, and 2 students is going to from B to C, right? So whatever the value is right now, let's say here is A, here is B, here is C. So at present it will be A minus 1, it will be B minus 2, it will be C plus 3 students is added. Okay, now it is saying that what will happen to the average weight of the student of the class. Okay, I mean it is asking about the class, not about the group. Just understand this one. Okay, it is about the average of class, not that group. Okay, so in that group, that class, this group will be there. Okay, this student will be there. If you add all number of students, I mean in previous number, before shifting, total number of students were A, B plus C. It will be A plus B plus C. It was before shifting, and after shifting if you add this one, it will be again A plus B plus C, right? There is no change from in the number of total number of students, right? It will be A plus B plus C. Here is also A plus B plus C. So what will be the average? Average will remain the same. There will be no increase or decrease. Okay, so it's very logical question. You don't have to calculate, just you have to read the question, you have to understand the question, you have to understand that what is this asking, it is about the class or it is about the group. Okay, so be careful with the question, be careful with the words. Okay, UPSC always play with the words, right? It was easy, fine. So we are moving to the next question, little calculated maybe. So here is another question from UPSC 2019. I was thinking how UPSC is asking this type of question. I mean, it's very easy and still many aspirants find it difficult to solve. Okay, I'm not discouraging you. I'm just saying that it's very easy. Just you should try this one. Like average marks of 100 students is given. Okay, so just write the formula of average. Average is equal to total sum divided by what? Total number of observation. Okay, just see how I am approaching. Whenever there is a mean question from mean, question from average, just write the formula. First step is you should write the formula. Okay, if there is some data, just write the formula, and if there is no data, just there is a condition like that class previous question, you should understand the question. If you understand the question, you can solve that question. Okay, so whenever there is a data, just write the formula, like I am writing here, average is equal to total sum divided by total number of students. Okay, now where we have the average is equal to 40, we don't know the total sum, but we know the total number of observation. That is what? Observation is 100 students. It is about 100 students, so it will be 100. So what will be the total sum? Total sum will be 40 multiplied by 100. Just cross multiply this one. You know what is cross multiply? Just multiply this denominator with this numerator, this denominator with this numerator. It will be 4000. Fine. Now it was said that when they are calculating the average marks, they are calculating the mean marks, they actually by mistake they read 53 as 83. There can be a human error. Okay, so by mistake they have read that 53 as 83. So 83 was wrong data, so we should replace with 53. So there will be some changes in mean. Okay, so what we will do, we will subtract that wrong data from this total sum. So we will write actual sum should be 4000 minus this wrong data. Now we have to add the correct data. Okay, so if you want to solve it in easy way, just solve this one. Okay, so if you see, this will be plus, this is minus. If you subtract this one, it will be 4000 minus 30. It will be more easier to solve. So later you will find 3970, this much. Okay, now what is the average? So new average or mean is equal to 3970 divided by same number of data, that means 100. So it will be 39.7. I have told you how to convert fraction into decimal. Okay, so it will be 39.7. So 39.7 will be our corrected mean. Earlier what was the mean? Earlier mean was 40. Now it's 39.7. Is it clear? It was easy or difficult? Okay, now one more thing. I'm just giving you one more concept. Like option was 39, B was 40, B was 40, not 39.7, but that's okay. C was 39.7 and D was 40.3. Okay, now I'm just giving you the idea of eliminating the options. It was given that average was 40. Okay, actual value was 53, but we have just the value was 83. What we have written here, we have written 83 in this 4000, we have written 83. Now we have to replace with 53, right? So what I am trying to say is our total value will be lesser than this value, right? If you replace this 83 by 53, obviously total sum will be less than the that means that the wrong sum. Okay, when total sum will be lesser, then obviously that mean will be lesser. Okay, lesser than 40. So we can eliminate this one, 40 and 40.3 we can eliminate. Okay, in that way we can eliminate two options. Now you can solve and you can find that which can be your answer, 39 or 39.7. okay, I'm just giving you idea based on the concept. How can you eliminate this one? Sometimes you can eliminate all three options. Okay, that's why this is the concept. Okay, let's see the next question. Okay, this question was from UPSC CSAT 2017. Okay, just read the question. I'm just giving the important points here. Like average rainfall in a city was given for first 4 days. First 4 days was given like 0.40 inch. Okay, and last 2 days was given in form of ratio. You know what is ratio? I have told you how to convert ratio, how to work in ratio. Okay, it was given in 4:3. Now total average of these 6 days was given like 0.50 inch. Of that rainfall it was given 0.50 inch. Now it is asking what is the rainfall in the 5th day. Okay, For first 4 days it was given average value 0.40, but for last 2 days it was given like in ratio form 4:3. Okay, like if I say last, I mean 2 days, like we can say like fifth day, okay, and this sixth day we can say 4/3 in ratio 4:3, it will be 4/3. Now can we write in like fifth day will be 4x, or sixth day will be 3x, or you can say 4a, or it will be 3a. Okay, if you are not comfortable with x, we can write in form of a. Okay, so we will do with form of a. Okay, now if I say for, I mean we have to write average of 6 days, because we have to solve the fifth day, so we are writing for average of 6 days. So it will be total sum, okay, of 6 day divided by total number of observation. Okay, so for that sum, how do you know the first 4 days total sum? How can we solve this one? So first 4 data it was given, it was 0.40. so can we write this average, just this average, as like average of 4 is equal to sum divided by what number? That 4. It's for 4 days, that's why I'm writing here 4. Okay, just working with this one data. So average is 0.40 is equal to sum divided by 4. So what will be the sum here? Sum is equal to 4 multiplied by 0.40. This is the sum of just 4 days, not 6 days. So here we will write sum of 4 days like 4 into 0.40. And what about the fifth and sixth days? Fifth and 6 days is 4a and 3a, 4a and 3a. Okay, and total number of observation, that is it's about the 6 days, so it will be 6. And what is the average of 6 days? It is 0.50. okay, tell me if there is any confusion in this part. What we have done here is we have to solve about the fifth day. Okay, that's why I have written here average of 6 days. Okay, so for 6 days we have to write the sum of 4 days, I mean sum of all 6 days we have to write. But how can we write sum of all 4 days, because we don't have that data? So from this data we have written here sum of 4 days. Now this will be 5th day, this will be 6th day. Okay, it was easy. Now just solve this one. It will be 1.6. You know how to solve this one? It's very basic thing, just simple calculation. 1.60 or 1.6, or this will be 7a. See, this is like value, like this is 4a, this is 3a, so we can write 7a divided by 6, and here is 0.50. now we can cross multiply this one. Here is 1, so you can multiply 1 with this value, it will be remains the same. So here is 1.6 multiplied, sorry, not multiply, it will be plus. Okay, so here I am writing it is plus 7a, and here is 6 multiplied by 0.50. so 6 multiplied by 0.50, that value will be 3. Okay, so finally we will have 7a is equal to 3 minus 1.6. now tell me what is the value of 3 minus 1.6? it will be 1.4. so a will be 1.4 divided by 7, that will be 0.2. Is it 0.2? Yes, 0.2. so what is the value of a right now? We don't know the, I mean we did not get the fifth value data, we just know the value of a right now. So we have to find the fifth data, that will be 4a. so it will be 4 multiplied by 0.2, that will be how much? 0.8. don't write just 8, 0.8. so this will be 0.8 inch. Okay, or 0.80, whatever you can write. For 6th day it will be 3 multiplied by 0.2, that will be 0.6. okay, so right now it is asked about the fifth day, so it will be 0.8. clear? Any confusion? Okay, see, if you solve the average question, there are many topics in this average. Okay, topics like questions from age, question from weight. Okay, anything can be given. Question from number system. Okay, I will give you example about number system. Okay, question from speed and distance, speed time and distance, that one. Okay, speed and distance I can write here. Fine. Then what can be a more question? I can say like average speed. Okay, same thing. Speed, distance, same thing. Average speed. Okay, this type of question they can ask, right? From this number topic, let me give you some questions regarding number system. Okay, I'm just giving you a basic idea about the number system. Like if you solve the question from average of numbers, you have to learn arithmetic progression. Okay, so if you know the arithmetic progression, right now I'm not giving the details of arithmetic progression, and I will just give you the short formulas of arithmetic progression and how can we solve those questions. I will give you the ideas. Okay, and if you know what is arithmetic progression, then that's good, no problem. Okay, so question will be asked like, okay, first you have to I'm just giving you some, some concept regarding this one. Like in arithmetic progression, so see, in average what we have written here, we have to write sum divided by total number. This is a simple formula. Average is equal to total sum divided by total number of observations. Okay, so in arithmetic progression you will learn about how to find the nth term, how to find the sum of nth term. Okay, so here we have to learn, we have to use the sum. Okay, sum. So how can you find the sum? So simple sum formula was n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now what is n, what is a, what is d? So I have told you, right now I will give you some, just the formula and just a short thing. Okay, I'm not going in deep detail about the arithmetic progression. I will just give you the introduction. Like what is the n? N is number of terms, a is the first term, and d is the common difference. Okay, so this is a simple sum of nth term. This is the formula. Okay, and if it is asked about the average, so how can you write the average? Average will be sum divided by that number. So here is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d divided by total number is n. So this n will be cancelled out. So here is answer will be 2a plus n minus 1 d divided by this 2. Okay, this is a simple answer. So sometimes in book you will get simply this answer, this formula. So you have to understand that how this formula come from. Okay, and if there is a number, like many questions are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 natural numbers are there, and natural numbers. Okay, and terms. And how can you find the sum? Sum formula was n plus 1 by 2. Now if it is asked about the average, so average will be sum divided by n. So n plus 1 by 2 divided by n. So this n will be cancelled out. So n plus 1 by 2 is our answer. Simple answer is n plus 1 by 2. Is it clear? Okay, so from this question, this concept, it is again asked about the odd number of terms, odd terms or even terms. Okay, let's see. What I am saying is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the terms. Now we can separate out the odd terms like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like this, and even terms like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this one. So can you see what is the formula of sum of odd terms and sum of the even terms? What is the formula? If you know, you can write in comment section or just watch it what I am writing here and just note it down. Like sum of odd terms will be, it will be n square. For this one it will be n square. Just see, if we add two terms it will be 4, that means 2 square. If you add 3 terms it will be 9, that means 3 square. If you add 4 terms it will be 16, that means 4 square. Clear? Okay. Now just see the sum of even terms. The formula is n plus 1. Okay, just see, I mean if n is 2 it will be 2 multiplied by 3, it will be 6. Here is 6. If n is 3, so 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12. Here is 12. Is it clear? Now if it is asked about the average of odd number, average will be n square by n, that is n. Of average of even, it will be n plus 1 by n, it will be n plus 1. Is it clear? Just note it down. See, I'm not going in deep. Why? Because in AP I will discuss this about the sum and about the nth term. We will discuss all things, everything. Okay. Here we will just giving you the introduction. How can you write the formulas? How can you write the questions? I mean solve the questions. Okay. Is it clear? Now we are going to solve few questions based on this one. Okay, there is a question like, not from PYQ, just a simple question like A, B, C, D and E are 5 odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers. Okay, you know what is consecutive odd numbers? Consecutive means like 1, 3, 5 means back to back. Okay. Now it is asked that what is the average of this 5? What is the average value of this 5? Can you try this one? You can try, or right now just see the solution from my side. See, if you see this one, like I am writing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, just for understanding this one. If you see from 1 to 3, what is the gap? If you add 2 it will be 3, if you add 2 it will be 5, if you add 2 it will be 7, if you add 2 it will be 9. That means the difference of two odd numbers will be 2. So if I say A is equal to, I mean not A, B is equal to A plus 2, okay, C is equal to B plus 2, okay, D is equal to C plus 2 and E is equal to D plus 2. Just write it down like from this one, from this side. So it will be like A plus 2 plus 2, that means A plus 4. Now can we write this C in this one? Is it easy? So I'm not writing this one, I will write this one, A plus 4. So here will be A plus what? 4 plus 2, that will be A plus 6. Now I will write this D in this one, not this one. I will write A plus 6. So here is A plus 6 plus 2. It will be A plus 8. Now we have written everything in the form of A. Okay. So now what is the average? Average is equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E divided by what? Divided by 5. So here is the answer. A is equal to A simply, B is equal to A plus 2, C is equal to A plus 4, D is equal to A plus 6 and E is equal to A plus 8 divided by 5. So if you see how many A are there, A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 A's are there, plus this is 2, this is 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 by 5. You can write common from this one. It will be 5 is common, A plus 4 is there and there is 5. So 5 will be cancelled out. We will get only A plus 4. So A plus 4 is our average value. Clear? So what we have done here is just we have write average numbers in form of one number. Okay, why? Because it is given like all numbers are consecutive. There is one relation is given, right? So we have to find the relation. So what I was saying, whenever I mean how to understand the pattern, how to understand decode the question. Okay, so while decoding, we have to understand what is the keywords are given. What are the keywords there are given? Like in question, it is was given like average. Okay, average of consecutive numbers. So consecutive is the key. Okay, if it is given like consecutive odd numbers, so odd numbers is also a key. Consecutive, odd, these are the keywords. Okay, and from that keywords we can find the relation, and if you find the relation you can solve the question easily. Fine. See, if we are going to discuss about the various forms of, I mean, if you what I have told you about that average speed, that age, weight, then numbers. Okay, there are multiple types of question, and if I am going to if I am giving you the types of question like this type of question, type A, type B, type C, like this, so it will be numerous, I mean multiple types of question are there. Okay, and it will be difficult then to understand the question. Then you will think that what is the difference between me and other I mean other teachers. Okay, I'm also making the CSAT bulky and they're doing the same thing. So I am just giving you this average topic, whatever the topic I am giving you, in the simple way, in the just conceptual way, so that you can solve the questions very easily. Okay, it will not be a I mean difficult task for you. Okay, I'm just giving you one more question. I will solve that question. Let's see how I am solving that one. It was from UPSC 2023, and I know 2023 was as per many aspirant it was a very difficult paper, like, but I think question was very conceptual. Just think what question I am giving you right now. So question was like 1 1 1 1 1. Now you remember what I am trying to say. 9 times. Okay, this is multiplied by 1 1 1 1 dot 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 9 times. Okay, so whatever the answer will come, like this is your answer. So whatever answer will come, you have to add all digits and you have to write the sum. Okay, this is not from the average topic. This is from simple patterns of number, or you can say this sum will be like from AP. We will solve from AP and pattern. Okay, so you know how we solve. I will tell you that this question is from class, guess what, which class? Just go and search class 4 book patterns. You will see this question from that book. Okay, I was very surprised to see that it was given like 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 11 multiplied by 11 is 121, triple one multiplied by triple one, it will be 1 2 3 2 1. It was in class 4, believe me, just go and see. It was in class 4. Triple one multiplied by triple three, it will be 1 2 3 2 1. You have to see the pattern. What is the pattern? It is number is increasing and then decreasing. It's increasing and then decreasing. Got it? So, and till what number it is increasing? What is the total digits of this number? Total digit is 3. So till 3 it is increasing then decreasing. So if it is till 9, so it will increase like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then will decrease 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, this will be our answer, but not our answer. This is our, I mean, product. Now we have to add all digits, then it will be that will be our answer. Now you can add in, I mean, your way, no problem, but I will add in terms of AP, in the form of AP. Okay, so this is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You can add 9 numbers, or you can add 8 numbers and multiply it by 2, it will be repeated. Okay, one more method I am giving you. If you don't know the AP, you can add with the concept like 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9. So how many 9 are there? 1 2 3 4. Okay, here is also 4 9 are there. So 4 plus 4 is 8 and this is 9. So total 9 is 9. So 9 multiplied by 9, it will be 81. So 81 was our answer. You can add in any way that your wish, but I think if you add with a sequence, if in proper way, it will be more easier for you. Okay, so today's task will be your like go and search this chapter like pattern in class 4 NCERT. Okay, and you will find this one. I'm sure you will be surprised. Okay, and this is from UPSC 2023. As per many aspirants, it was the toughest CSAT paper, but I think it was not. It was just a hype. It was not that tough. Okay, so I think we have completed the average topics, the basic concepts. We have completed few questions, and in the next lecture we will give you some, we will give you more topics, more concept, and we will solve few more questions. Okay, and then we will start the next topic. Till then, if there is any confusion, you can ask in the comment section, and just follow the schedule. It will be easier for you, believe me. Okay, so have a good day. Bye. Jai Hind.